All right, so if you are having trouble getting into your Schoology account, it's giving you an error, or if it's giving you a blank screen, it's not working, there are a few things you can do to help. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to open up Google. You're going to go to accounts.google.com. Excuse me. You're going to go to the top right where there's a circle. Yours will probably just be a plain circle. This is my dog. You're going to click on it. Okay, and then you're going to go down to the very bottom where it says sign out, and you're going to sign out of all the accounts. Okay, if you don't have any accounts here, don't worry, that's okay, that it happens. But if you have any here, I want you to sign out of them. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, the second thing you're going to do, you're going to go up to Chrome. Underneath your X, there's 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and go down to settings. Okay, and when you go to settings, you're going to click on privacy and security. And then you're going to scroll down a little bit. It might not show up right away. You might have to scroll a little bit, excuse me, to clear browsing data. You're going to change that to at least the last 24 hours, but I would recommend the last 7 days, especially if you were trying to get into Schoology last week. Leave all 3 of these checked: browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. This is not going to delete any of your passwords, don't worry. It's just going to, when you go to a website, it saves information to make it faster for you the next time you get on that website. And if something doesn't load correctly, then your computer just loads it incorrectly every single time because it has that saved data of, oh, this is the way that I should go. So we're going to clear that out. So go ahead and click clear data. And then you have 2 options here. So you can either go back to insightpa.schoology.com. And I realized I'm already logged in. And it'll look like this. And then you can put your login information in. Make sure it's correct, and make sure that if you were given your email and your password and they have uppercase letters, they have to be uppercase. So make sure you're paying attention to that. If you can't log in, you tried it again, and you still can't get logged in. You cleared out all of your accounts, you cleared out all of your cookies and cache and all that data, and you came back to Schoology and it still doesn't work. There's one more thing you can do. You're going to head back to accounts.google.com, and let me show you. It will either bring up this, or it'll bring up like a main generic Google page that says go to my accounts, and there's a big blue button at the top right where it says like go to accounts. You're going to click on that, log in, and this kind of bypasses Schoology to get you into your Google account. Okay, so then once you're in your Google account, you can go back to Schoology, and it should bring up your child's name that you can click on it and automatically log you in. If these 4 things didn't work, you're signing out of all your Google accounts, you're clearing your cache and your cookies, going back to Schoology and trying to log in, and if that doesn't work, going to accounts.google.com and trying to log in. If those things don't work, reach out to your teacher. But these 4 things, and most people don't even need all 4, has helped people get into Schoology. So hopefully that helps for you. If you have any questions, reach out to your teacher.